Good morning, traders. This is Matt with newbietrader.com. Want to welcome you to our daily wrap-up video for Monday, December 8th, 2014. Another just fantastic day in the Russell trading room. 13 trades today. There were only 2 losers out of the group, and there was a big sell-off. The way it worked out, the market, starting at 7 o'clock, we kind of just went sideways into the open, and you can see there was a $30 and $50 trade there. And then after the open, the market started climbing up until the 10 o'clock reversal time frame. And we filled some old gaps, so we had a nice trade for $210 and then $140. Things were really looking good, and we started pushing even higher into 10:30. Normally at that 10 o'clock reversal time frame, you get a little pullback or maybe even a reversal. They just basically traded sideways, put in another $110 move, a $250 move, and then at the 10:45 confirmation time, things started to go a little sideways, and we got into our profit-taking time of day, 11 o'clock, end of the first session in the market. You can see we did have a loss up there for $200, and then the market really started heating up. When I mean heating up, I mean they actually started selling off hard to the downside. Basically from the 11 o'clock uh, lunchtime dead zone where they start taking profits all the way until 2:30, the market just did a big move to the downside. You can see how violent this was. Now, we didn't have any trade signals initially there because it went so far so fast. It didn't give us an opportunity to get in. Down there around 12:30, there was a little $30 trade. Then it wasn't until about 1:30 after the lunchtime dead zone that we got our first decent entry. That was for $110 to the downside, and then right after 2 o'clock there was another $260 entry. 2:30 it started to bounce. We got stopped out of that entry for a $30 loss. You can see the bounce was quite that was a pretty decent move off of that bounce. That 2:15 to 3 o'clock bounce, that was about a $700 move points-wise. Then it started kind of going a little bit sideways, and then towards the end of the day, they did get another push to the downside, had a $70 trade, and then we got into our closing time frame. So the market had a lot of volatility, and we expected that kind of coming into the contract rollover that's going to be happening at the end of this week, but I didn't think we'd have that much volatility on a Monday. But nonetheless, our system, simple 5-step trading plan here, did extremely well. Again, 13 trades, only 2 of them were losers, and they were small losers at that. $1,040 on the day. If you'd like to learn more about this trading plan, go to newbie-trader.com/Russell. Thanks, and make it a great day.